So as you know, I'm often out and about looking for treasures, so I often come across things that I think would be great to upcycle, and this can is one such thing. So I have this label, which is actually a real label that used to be put on cans of jam. I will photocopy it. Here are the photocopied pieces that I've already trimmed up to ensure that they fit on my can. So we have our Modpodge paintbrush and our photocopied pieces of paper. Oops, make sure you get it up the right way. And I just want that centered. Smooth out the air bubbles. After allowing the Mod Podge to dry, the container is now ready to use. I've decided I'm going to use this as a vase, so I've purchased some flowers to put in it. And there is our finished upcycle. Once the flowers have died, I might use it to put my paintbrushes in. So happily upcycling!